Hello and welcome to the Tablet Basics tutorial. This instructional video will show you how to use the Android tablets. The paperless system can be used with many internet-connected devices. This means you can use a desktop computer, laptop tablet, or even your smartphone. But keep in mind that this system was developed to be compatible with Google Android tablets using the Chrome browser. There are many mobile devices available, like a small tablet or even a smartphone, but for this demonstration we will be using a Digiland tablet. If you look to the side, we can see some buttons and input ports. Here we have the microphone, micro SD slot, HDMI port, USB port, power button, and decrease volume and increase volume buttons. There are also rear and front-facing cameras.
Looking from the front, we have a 10-inch screen. This screen is touch sensitive and can recognize many gestures for input. Some gestures include tap, double tap, press, swipe, pinch, spread, and rotate. These gestures can also be recognized if you use a stylus, which is especially helpful when you're wearing gloves. The stylus has a soft, capacitive tip that the tablet screen can detect. The tablet also has an on-screen keyboard, which is accessible whenever you need to do some typing. This keyboard is typically smaller than a traditional keyboard, but it comes with several convenient shortcuts to make typing easier. Shortcuts like numbers if you press and hold on the keys on the top row, and special characters.
Most tablets have built-in sensors that can detect its orientation, so it is sensitive to how you hold it, and will auto-rotate based on the contents of the screen, either vertically, known as portrait mode, or horizontally, known as landscape mode. For the paperless system, you'll want to use the tablet in landscape mode.
When we power the tablet on, the device will either start its boot process or wake up from a standby mode and will wait for your input at the lock screen. From here, we can see that we have a profile icon to the upper right-hand side and also a swipe to unlock instruction on the bottom center. To start, be sure you're logged into the correct user profile. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon, then selecting the MetalTech text. Once you have done that, you can swipe up on the screen to unlock the tablet. If the tablet ever asks you for a password or PIN after the swipe to unlock gesture, you'll have to cancel the request and go back to make sure you're logged into the right profile. After you swipe, the tablet will show you the home screen. This screen is similar to a Windows desktop and is your central access point to all of the tablet applications and settings. At the very bottom of the screen, we have the primary action buttons. These buttons do not change. They are decrease volume and increase volume to the left and right sides, running applications button, home screen button, back button, and the screenshot button. Above the action buttons, we have application shortcuts and also the central launcher button that acts similar to a Windows Start menu. When pressed, you can see the shortcut icons to all the applications installed on the tablet. You can also swipe to more screens if you have lots of apps. There also may be widgets on the home screen. For example, this clock is a widget, and so is the Google search bar. Next, we'll show you some browser basics. Google Chrome is the default web browser. You can access it by clicking on its icon through the launcher or the shortcut on the home screen. Chrome has the following features: a browser tab to switch between different pages, a New Tab button to open another website, a Refresh button to reload the website content, an Omnibox where you can enter text for a website address or do a Google search, and the main window where the website content will show.
This concludes the Tablet Basics tutorial. Thank you for watching.